Come back to our channel. So many of you were requested to do the explanation in English. So in this video I will give you a complete guidance for your computerized accounting in English. So the first important question from first unit is what do you mean by company in Tally? Means how to create a company in Tally. See, before that you need to understand the meaning of Tally. What is mean by Tally ERP and what is the company means. So company is nothing about the partnership business or any sole proprietorship business or any type of joint stock company, firm, trust, anything, it comes under the company. Okay, so whatever the company related business transactions, company related records we are maintaining with the help of Tally. Okay, computerized accounting Tally ERP 9 is nothing about the maintaining the business records, maintaining the business transactions. Okay, so in Tally ERP 9. Okay, so this is the meaning of company. What are the steps you are having? Step number 1, you need to click on double click on Tally icon from desktop, and then you will get a screen. From that you need to click on work in education mode. Then you will have this screen. So this is the screen. You need to understand and you need to draw these screens in Tally. Compulsory you need to draw this screen. Okay, this is the gateway of Tally screen. So whatever the screen is there, like first one is masters, transactions, utilities and reports. In masters you are having accounting info, inventory info. This is accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers, import data, banking, balance sheet, P&L account, ratio analysis, display and quit. So this is the screen. So when you click on work in education mode, this screen will be visible. Okay, step number 4, what you need to do, you need to click alt plus F3. Then again you will get a screen like this. So you need to draw this screen. From this screen you need to create a company. You need to click on the create company. So step number 6 is create company option. You need to click on that. And step number 7, when you click on that create company, again this screen will be visible. Okay, so this is the screens I have made it. When you are seeing in semi materials or in textbooks, screens will be little bit hard, so I have made this screens easily. Okay, so total 8 steps you are having after getting the screen. So just fill the data whatever I have shown on the answer. And step number 8 is you need to save the company program. Means control plus A, you need to click on that. When you click on control plus A, you will save the program. Clear? So these are the first important question from unit number 1 in computerized accounting. And another question also I have given, that is differences between computerized accounting and manual accounting. So that question is also important. If I don't know whether that question is having in this PDF or not, so or else we will discuss in last. Okay, so second important is how do you create, alter and delete the ledgers in Tally. See, first what you need to do, first you need to click on the Tally icon. Again work in education mode you need to click on. Then you need to click on alt plus F3 to create a company. After getting that, in gateway of Tally screen you will have the single ledger and multiple ledger. When you click on the company info, you will find the single ledger and multiple ledger option. If you want to create a single ledger, if you want to create a ledger in single, what is the steps you need to do? From gateway of Tally you need to click on accounts info. From gateway of Tally screen you need to click on accounting info. When you click on accounting info, this screen will be displayed. Okay, from this you need to click on ledgers. When you click on this ledgers, again this screen will be displayed. Okay, single ledger, multiple ledger. In single and multiple you will have the create, display, alter. In multiple also you will have the create, display and order. Alter. So in computerized accounting there is not at all having anything to learn, except that you need to click on the you need to draw the screens. For example, if you want to message to me, what you will do, you will unlock your phone, you will enter your password, you will get the screen, and you need to search my contact, you need to keep the message high. So whatever we are doing in a practical way, that is the same thing we are presenting in the answers. Clear? If you want to create in the multiple ledger, means from gateway of Tally you need to click on accounting info, then you need to click on ledger, then you need to click on multiple, create. If you want to alter, what you need to do, alter from main menu accounting info, ledger, simple alter, select the ledger. Alter is nothing about if you want to do any changes in that ledger, means you need to click on alter. Every step is same. Create means last key will be create. Alter means last will be alter. Like how you need to delete means same here. Main menu, accounting info, ledgers, alter. After clicking on alter, you need to click the key Alt plus D. Alt plus D is nothing about the deletion of that ledger. You are deleting that ledger permanently. So this is the steps you are having. Next important what you are having, ma, features of Tally ERP9. What are the features of Tally ERP9? First one is business solution. Whatever the solutions you want in the business, whatever the problems you are facing, this Tally ERP9 gives us several tools to represent your data, to store your data in a unique way. Next one, versatility. Versatility is nothing about the from small stores to big institutions, big organization, everyone can use this Tally. Okay, from DMart or any Kirana shop also, if you are having in your grocery shop also, if you are having in nearby your homes, they will also can maintain this Tally. Okay, that is called versatility. Next one, accounting package. Accounting package is nothing about the market value is more than 90% because it is continuously developing. Everyone is using that. Yes, cost center is nothing about the intermediate between user and Tally ERP9. Means for the user and the person who is having Tally ERP9 will have the intermediate relationship between them. Okay, next simplicity. Simplicity is nothing about the cost. This Tally ERP9 is simple in nature, everyone can easily understand. It is not that much complicated to understand it. Okay, next speed. Compared to the manual accounting, computer works more speedily, more accurate, time saving, cost also will save. Okay, so that one. Flexibility is nothing about the you can have the more adopted business requirements, any software if you want you can adopt it, anything like that. Okay, so like this many features is there, like around 12 I have given. For your examination point of view, any 6 or 7 side headings is more than enough, okay. And from unit number 1 you need to concentrate on differences between manual accounting and computerized accounting. We will discuss that question afterwards. Okay, so this is the short questions, ma. Computerized accounting we have discussed already in long. What is meant by computerized accounting? Whatever the financial information, whatever the business information you are putting down, that is called computerized accounting digitally. F level is nothing about the company features format, ma. If they are asking F level means you need to draw this. Okay, this is the screen of F level. When you will use this F level key to use any multiple currencies, okay, to taxation or anything if you want to means, then you will use this F level key feature, ma. So this is the screen for 2 marks, 5 to 6 lines is more than enough. Next, F12 configuration. This F12 configurations will be helpful in Tally ERP9 when you want to modify, when you want to change the requirement. Okay, from gateway of Tally you need to click on company info, then you will get the configuration. There you will click the F12 configuration. Okay, next important is P2P, that is procure to pay. Procure to pay is nothing about the raw materials, whatever the raw materials you are having from the production and the service, from the above, that is known as procure to pay. P2P also we can call it that. Okay, so what is a group in Tally? A group in Tally is nothing about the type of ledger. Okay, so it will be useful for the ledger creation. If you want to create a ledger in the Tally ERP9, that will be useful. So what is the gateway of Tally? What is the path? From gateway of Tally, click on company creation, accounting info, groups, create single or multiple. In groups also you will have the single group or multiple group. Clear? So that's it. Next one, mouse conventions. Mouse. In mouse, what are the keys we will have? Click, double click we will do choose, we will select, we will press with the mouse keys. Yes, we will use that mouse like that only, no? Yes, that is the main thing. Next, keyboard is nothing about, in keyboard what are the keys you will have? Alt plus F1. What it means? It will have the extra details. F2, it will modify the report. F3, it will give more and company selection buttons. F4 to Fn, what they will give? It will give the different reports for the data. So like this type of ledger, this type of 2 marks questions also I have wrote in my notes. If you want to learn, you can learn it. Okay, or else simply concentrate on the long questions. Clear? Now unit number 2, ma. Write steps for stock groups. So how you need to do the stock group? Same, first unit if you have learned means second unit you will easily get to know what is meant by stock groups. For example, see here, in a showroom, if you are having any electronic showroom, if you have visited any electronic showroom, the total mobile phones, refrigerator, television, watches, electronic watches, all this comes in one floor only. They will keep it in the side. So that is called stock groups. Stock group is nothing about all electronic items will be one side, all plastic items will be one side, like that. Okay, so in this stock groups also you will have the single stock group, multiple stock groups. Okay, how you create? First you need to click on Tally ERP9, then you need to click on company info, then you click on inventory info. Yes, after clicking on inventory info, if you want to create in a single means this is the screen you are having. Single stock group screen is this. Okay, next if you want to do that in a multiple screen, steps everything is same. Instead of clicking on single, you need to click on multiple. Again, if you click on multiple, this screen will be appeared. That's it, over. 8 marks answer is over. See here, we are not learning any matter inside that. We are remembering the screens and we are drawing the screens, right? So that's it. Next one, how do you need to create, alter, display and delete stock groups? Just now we have learned the select, right? Select and create. Now how you need to alter? See here, from gateway of Tally, you need to click on main menu, then inventory info, then stock groups, single stock group or multiple stock group or single. In single, what you want to do? You want to create it. Okay. In multiple, if you want to create means instead of single, click on multiple. That's it. Everything will be same. Okay. If you want to alter means from single screen, so like this the screen will be there. Instead of clicking on create, you need to click on alter. Okay, so instead of clicking on create, you need to click on alter in multiple also. Okay, are you getting my point? If you want to delete, what you will do? Alt plus 3. You will click on alter, then you will click on alt plus T, then the groups will be deleted. Okay, so stock items is also same. In stock items also you will have a single stock, multiple stock. What is mean by stock items? What are the different resale products is that is called stock items. For example, in rice stores there are different types of rice, like Karnool rice, Basmati rice, Sona Masuri rice, like different types of rice, but all belongs to rice only. For example, soap, Santur soap, Lux, Mysore sandal, like this, pearls, etc. Yes, so this is called stock items. So everything will be same. See, screens, just I am writing the screens, just I have wrote the screens. Easy answer. The same answer you are having in first unit and the second unit, just the words is only changing. Okay, next is stock categories also. In stock categories also you are having single stock category, multiple stock category. If you want to create a single, click on single. Multiple means click on multiple. Alter means alter. Delete means alt plus 3. That's it. Clear? So once if you are reading the answer means you can easily understand the answer. You will easily understand the concept. Okay. No need to by heart anything. So next one, how to create a go downs in Tally. In this also you are having single go down and multiple go down. Okay. So if you want to create a single go down, from gateway of Tally, inventory info, you need to click it. Instead of selecting stock groups, stock categories like that, click on go downs. Then click on single. Then create. This screen is called single go down screen. Okay. Screen for single. If you create for the multiple means still go down is same. Just instead of single, click on multiple. Okay, when you click on multiple, this screen will be displayed. Okay, so that's it about the unit number 2. Unit number 3. In unit number 3, the first important question is differences between debit note and credit note. Okay, so debit note and credit note difference is, first one, debit note will have in the seller's account. Seller account is debited. Here buyer account is credited. So it will have with the seller account will be having with debit note. Buyer account will have the credit note voucher. Use means blue ink, it will be in red ink. Okay, so next, however the differences I have wrote, the same thing you will need to understand it. So debit note shows the positive account and credit note shows the negative amount. So the opposite of this is a purchase return, it is sales return. Okay, so it will do the minimization in account receivables, it will be doing in minimization in accounts payable. Accounts receivable is nothing about something we are receiving, payable is nothing about something we are paying to another persons. So what is the opposite book for debit note is credit note, opposite for book for credit is debit note. What is the fee? Control plus F9, control plus F8. So when this debit note voucher is made means when the company returns goods to the supplier, then debit note will be made. When the customer is returning the goods to the company, then credit note will be made. So what is the creation? From gateway of Tally, select company, accounting vouchers, debit note clear. Here everything is instead of debit you are writing the credit. That is the difference you are having. Next one, what is purchase voucher? So what is purchase voucher? Whatever the purchases we are doing in the organization, including cash, we will record all that purchase voucher transactions in the purchasing. So what is the functional key for that? F5. F5 is the functional key. So how you need to do it? Step number 1, gateway of tally. You need to select the accounting info, then click on F9. Okay, from gateway of tally, select account info, click ledgers, then create option. So these are the steps. Okay, so these are the steps. After creating all the steps, this screens will be there. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. And the most important question from unit number 3 is types of vouchers. Okay, a voucher is nothing about the documentary proof. Okay, if you are doing any purchases, if you are doing any sales, if you are doing any cash transactions, for all that you need to have the documentary proof. No, to get the documentary proof, we will have the vouchers. So in this you are having the different types of vouchers. Receipt voucher. Receipt voucher is nothing about whatever the bills we are receiving in the organization, all that receipts will be included in receipt voucher. What is the functional key? F6. Payment voucher. Whatever the payments we are doing in the organization, we will do all that payments related history in the payment voucher. The functional key is F5. Whatever the sales we are doing in the organization, all the sales related data will be entered in the sales voucher. Functional key is F8. Purchase means purchase. Sales return means sales return. General voucher means general voucher. General voucher is nothing about the other than cash or check. If we are receiving in any form of gift or any form of asset or any form of thing, that type of related data will be entered in general voucher. Okay, contra voucher is nothing about the which is related to the cash and bank. That means half amount cash, half amount bank. That type of transactions will be entered in the contra voucher. The functional key is F4. That's it. The functional. This is the types of voucher, most important. Okay, and source document. What is mean by source document? Whatever the transactions are included in the documentary proofs are called source document. So this source document is also called as vouchers. What is it? Nothing about the written proof. Okay, if you are doing anything in the organization, whatever the proof you are getting, that is called documentary proof. That is called source document. A voucher must be a receipt, invoice, or any type of agreement, right? So in this you are having different types of source document. Yes, so receipt is a proof, cash memo is a proof, paying slip is a proof, invoice is a proof, check, credit note, debit note, miscellaneous, everything. If you proof only. If you go to DMart, if you buy something, they will give the bill, invoice they will give. That is called source document. That is a proof. For them also that is a proof. For you also that is a proof. Clear? Next. That's it, man. These 3 questions is most important and more than enough for unit number 3. Now coming back to the unit number 4, the first important is types of bill wise details. So in this you are having 4 different types, ma. So first one is new reference, second one is against reference, third one is advance, fourth one is on account. So bill wise details means whatever the bills you are receiving in the organization, where you will keep that bills. For example, I am receiving bills from the customers who are new to my organization. I am receiving the bills from the customers who are new to the organizations. So newly bills will be included in new reference. Already existing customers bills will be included in against reference. If any customer is paying any advance payment, means that type of bills will be included in advance payment, advance reference. And the last one, on account. On account is nothing about the if amount is received from a person out of 2 or 3 pending bills. If one bill is received, for example, you want to give me 10,000 rupees, but you have given 2,000 rupees and 1,000 rupees. I don't know which one you have give. For what purpose you have give. That type of ununderstandable the things which we will not understand, no, that type of things will be included in on account. So these are the 4 types of bill wise details. That's it. Next, how do you activate bill wise details? So this is the introduction part. Bill wise details means what is the thing it will give to the debitor, creditor, PAN number. These are all the things will be included in this activation of bill wise details. First, what we need to do, you need to open the Tally ERP9. You need to click the select, and from gateway of Tally click on F11. Then you will get the accounting feature. From that you will need to select the S for maintaining bill wise details. There will be an option related to the maintaining bill wise details. it will be no, but you need to click it on yes. You need to enable it. Okay, and next important is differences between accounts receivable and accounts payable. Yes, accounts receivable is nothing about the amount which company wants to receive in future. Accounts payable is nothing about the amount which company should be paid to outsider in future. Okay, so this differences you need to learn it, ma. So in differences you are not having any thing to explain, because as it is, whatever the differences you are having, that is you need to learn it. From unit number 4, types of bill wise details, activation of bill wise details, we can expect one question definitely in the examination question paper. Clear? And the last unit, unit number 5. In unit number 5, the first important is MIS. So MIS stands for Management Information System. So it is consisting of 3 words, means whatever the management, whatever the information, whatever the system is there will be helpful in your organization to develop, to get the advantage in making the decisions. Yes, so management is nothing about the art and science of decision making. Information is nothing about the processed data. System is nothing about the various combination of the components. So MIS is a system for in every organization. It will collect the data, it will store the data, it will distribute the data. So it will perform the more functions to make a appropriate decision making. So what are the advantages you are having in this MIS, ma? First one, it will be helpful in the decision making. Second one, it will support the management. Third one, it will plan the management, planning, organization, controlling, coordination, team building, decision making. Yes, so these are all the various advantages of MIS. Goal setting, goal achieving. Yes, so productive management, profitability. With the help of management we can having the many advantages. Clear? And what are the disadvantages you are having? This MIS is literally not designed properly, so it will be having consumed some time to take the decisions, and also it is an expensive also, right? Sometimes whatever the MIS system is there, that outdated technology will be there, so that time this is also one of the major limitation or disadvantage of MIS. So MIS advantages and disadvantages is most important answer, or else MIS reports. So these are the 2 important questions you are having in unit number 5. And MIS reports you are having 4 types, ma. Financial reports, accounting reports, management control reports, and inventory reports. Financial reports are nothing about the whatever the information is there according to the financial related economic activities related to the business, that type of data, that type of reports will be included in accounting reports. Inventory reports is nothing about the whatever the stock, whatever the raw materials, whatever the production management you are having, that type of data will be included in inventory reports. And management control report, whatever the budget you are putting, whatever the capital you are producing, whatever the cost you are getting from the organization, that type of related data will be entered in the management control reports. And the last one, financial reports, means shareholders data, creditors data, government taxation data, that type of data will be included in financial reports. Okay, so these are the most important topic. Accounting reports means balance sheet, P&L account, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, like this only you will have, ma. Okay, and that's it. So first we will discuss the unit number 1, differences between debit note and credit note. No, I'll show that answer now. So this is the first unit of differences between manual accounting and computer accounting answer, ma. So the first meaning is manual accounting is nothing about the maintaining the physical registers by human activity. Computerized accounting is nothing about the whatever the recording transactions we are having, whatever the financial transactions we are having, we are entering the data electronically. Recording is nothing about, it will be entered in original, it will be entered in a customized way. Okay, with the help of online transactions we can customize our data. Okay, so we can get that data in a graphical representation also, comparatively human involvement. Okay, and calculation is performed manually, it will be done automatically. Yes, and speed, it will be slow in calculation, computer will be always fast in calculation. No, yes, and adjusting entries, it will have the rectification of errors, and it will cannot made any rectification of errors. Means humans will identify what is an error, but computer will not find the error. Whatever we do, that will be okay for that. Okay, so for in manual accounting backup is not possible, but computerized accounting, if the data is lost, we can back up and we can get back the data. Yes, and trial balance in manual accounting is prepared whenever we want, but here with the daily basis it can be clicked. Okay, financial reports always will be done in a 3 months 6 months period of time, but here in computerized accounting we can done within a single click. Clear? And searching will be consuming more time, but here it takes the less time. Clear? And the last one, errors rectification. So rectification of errors is possible for this human manual accounting, but here it will be difficult to understand. If small dot is also not there, means the entire program will get in wrong in computerized accounting. So this type of difference answer you need to write it in the examination. So I hope that you have got clarity. If you're having any doubts related to this subject, let me know in the comment section, as many of you were requested in English explanation, so that's why I have done. So this notes PDF is available in our Telegram group for free of cost. Okay, all the very best for your examination. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.